The elevator at the Della store in Sugar Land, Texas. Guess what? It's a Westinghouse. Here we go. Go to 2. Look at the indicator. Here we are 2. No, the button already went out. What's it, level? Now we'll go back down to 1. Door closed but works. I like that. It's a pretty nice elevator. There's your fixtures. There's the phone. Here we are back at 1. And there it goes. And that's it.